Hi guys, we are finally to the ending of your essay, and this part is so easy. So what you're going to do is you scroll down to the bottom, you write one sentence summarizing your first paragraph, one sentence summarizing your second paragraph, one sentence summarizing your third paragraph, etc., until finally you get to the end, and it's usually a snazzy little rephrasing of your thesis statement. That's pretty much it. So I'm going to take that out, and I'm going to read over my first paragraph. So it talks about poverty, talks about the boy who harnessed the wind, if I had written it, and it talks about William not being self-made because he owes his success to his family, friends, and Dr. Shizime. So I will include something about poverty and something about how he's not self-made. So I'll say, William eventually escaped poverty, not through his own genius, but because someone more fortunate than he discovered William's genius. Now, I'm going to go to my second paragraph, read it over. This is my counterclaim about how he works hard. So I will say something like, undoubtedly, effort did play a role in his success. Then I go up to the next paragraph, and it's about him relying on the kindness of his family. Then the next one will be about friends, and the last one is about Dr. Shizime. So I will say, family members in William's life gave him the support he needed to build the windmill. Friends gave him the financial assistance, because this is my next paragraph, is about the friends, to purchase the resources. And then the last one was about Dr. Shizime. So I'll say once the windmill was built, Dr. Shizime stumbled upon it, leading to a big life change for William. Sure. And then I've done those three things. So I have one sentence that summarizes the whole thing that's kind of snazzy. And I'm going to say through, what am I going to say? It is through this random string of events that William became who he is today. Now I'm going to say who he is. An educator, okay, he's already a teacher, but he's an educator, he's an inspirer, is that a word? I don't think it is, but something like that. I'll change that later because I know it's silly wording, but I can't think of what I'm looking for. An educator, an inspirer, and I don't know, a philanthropist, right? Because he helps other people now. Ta-da! So now I have written my ending, and that's how you do it. Let me know if you have any questions.